All right, welcome back to this episode of the video. This is part 5, I think. Yes, part 5. So, please kindly take your time to look at the previous parts of the videos I've posted on this channel. So, let us quickly dive into this because of time. So, we are yet to complete the balance sheet or the statement of financial position. So, let us take out this. That is 812157. That is 969. Okay, that is 3412 minus 969. This is 3, this is 4, this is 4, 5. Okay, this is 5, this is 30. Okay, so at the end of the day we have the balance of 3543. Okay, so what other current asset do we have in the question? Let us go back to the question so that we can finish up. So we have discount allowed. Okay, we have bank, we've done that. Cash, okay, we've done that. Office expenses, we've done that. Carry, okay. So we have prepayments. So we have prepaid insurance, which is 27, and raise 95. Okay, so let's post that. Prepaid insurance 27. Prepaid insurance. That is 97, I think. Okay. Insurance, that is 27 and 95. Okay, 27, 7, and we have prepaid rates. That is 95. Okay, so what other current asset do we have in the question? Let us quickly go back. So we have we don't land a motor vehicle. Okay, we have let's check again. Let's go back up to the trial balance. So I think we are done with that. Okay, so let us add up. Pray this balance up. Okay, so 10811 plus 412, that is 3202 11223. 11223, 39,000. Let me add that up with the calculator so that we can finish up quickly. So we have 10811 plus 412 plus 39,000 plus 3543 plus 27 plus 95. Okay, we have 8088. So we have 80888. Okay, so we have liabilities. Now we have non-current liabilities. Current liabilities. It is okay. So let's check. Do we have any non-current liabilities or long-term liabilities? Okay. Prepayment, insurance, no. Depreciation. Okay. Let us. We have current liabilities. Okay. So we don't have any. So let's take dash. So let's go to current liabilities. Okay. We have accruals. So accruals, we have accrued audit fees 250 and legal expenses 25. Okay, audit fee 250, legal expenses. Okay, so audit fee 250. We also have legal expenses. Let's check what's legal expenses. That's 25. That's 25. So our total accrual is 275. So what else do we have? We have creditors. We have creditors. Okay. So creditors, let's check our creditors. What do we have under creditors? So for creditors, sundry debtors carried out towards sundry creditors, we have 8315, okay? 8315. Creditors 8315. 83315. Okay, do we have any other current liability? So let's check financed by. Financed by. So we have capital. A capital. What's the value of capital from the question? The capital is 110,000. So our profit, let's check our profit here. 23698. The capital 110,000. 110,000. Okay. 110,000. Then profit add profit 2398. 239. I wish I'll check that again. 23698. 23698. Okay. 23698. So do we have drawings in the question? We're going to let's drawings. So does any drawing exist? So we don't have drawings here. Okay. Bad debt, we've done that. Payments, we've done that. Provisions, we've done that. Depreciation, we've done that. Okay. So let us check that out. We hope this account is going to balance. I hope it does. So let us just add our current liabilities. That is, give us 10, 9, 5, 8. Okay. So let's start add that up with this. Let's add this up too. So 8590. 8590 plus 110,000 plus 3698. That's 142288. 14288. So let's go back to the question. Let's go back to the solution we have here. So we have 6288, 62800 plus 80888. So 143688 is all we have here. So something is wrong somewhere, okay? 143688. So we must have done a mistake in our calculation. 143688. So the difference between this and this, 143688 minus 142288. So we have 1400 difference. We have 1400 difference. What could have gone wrong? The difference between the two, 1400 difference. Okay, so let's check our account back to see what really happened. Okay, so let's check back to see what really happened. So the next thing is to try and identify where the mistake is here, because we have a difference of 1400. So I'm thinking that we should go down to our previous calculation, okay, where we have the adjustment for let's look at that. Let's calculate the provision for bad debt. So the provision for bad debt is 5% of doubtful debt. Okay, so let me use my calculator to do that. 5% of doubtful debt. So let me 5% of 32046. Let me check the bad debt again. Okay, bad debt is okay. Doubtful debt is 3412. So 5% of 3412 should give us, let me do the calculation. That is 1520.6. Okay, this is where the error is. So 1520.6. 15, not 157, 1520.6, 20.6. That should give us 1521. So when we add everything up, so let's get our expenses. Total expenses now should now be 1521. We're adding so let me get that 417311317. Okay. 1,550. Okay, the total expenses will now be 48816. Okay, So 48816. Sorry for that. So that's why we have to be very careful when you are doing a computation so that you don't make any error or mistake, else the account balance sheet will not balance. Okay, so 48816. So let's go ahead and adjust that here. 48816. So that's 48816 expenses. So that is 48816. So 48816. So let's do that. Okay, that is 48. That's 48. Okay. So that's 48816. 48816. So at the end of the day, we're going to be left with a net profit of 22634. So let me just take this off. This because of time. 22634. 22634. So let's go back to the okay, 22634. 22634. Okay, so we have our purchases cost of, okay, so cost of sales. So let's go back to the balance sheet. Okay, so here we're going to have 1521. 1521. So let me take this off. Should be 1521. Okay, so at the end of the day, we're going to be left with 3543. 1521. So plus 812. 521. 812. 1, 2, that is 3, 3. It's 13, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3412, 412 minus 2333. So that is 9. This is so that is 2819. Okay, so let us just to take this through, please. 28079. 28079. Okay, so the total asset, now we add up the total assets. This should give us total current assets should now be 78424. 78424. Please let me strike this off. 78424. 78424. Okay, so let us go down to the liability side. So now the net profit has now changed to 22634 from our adjustment. So let's just take this off like this. This should be 22634. 22634. Okay. So at the end of the day, when we add up, we are going to be left with 1224. 141. So 8590 plus 110,000 plus 2264 will give us 141224. That must be 141. Let me strike this up. 141224. Okay. So this one also works. We'll just add everything together here. So 78424 plus 62800. Let's add that. 78424. 78424 plus 62800. So that was also 141224. Okay. So let me strike this off. 141224. So 141224. So let me check that again. 8590 plus 110,000 plus 2264 plus 22634. So that's 141224. So right here we are good to go. So our account has now balanced. Okay, so this is how we're going to prepare your balance sheet to assess the financial position. So just ensure that you avoid any form of mistake. And whenever a mistake has been made, you just find a way to correct the mistake, okay, so that you can have a balanced account. So thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me share